Hello sir. Open your code, select all and copy. Now open this tool. I sent link already. Paste your code in the first section here. Paste. Now click on map slots. When you click here, some fields be like that. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 14. And title, bullet span 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Description, delivery details, FAQs, returns, about us, and contact. This details you have then policies. And here is start the related product section. Item URL 1, image URL 1, title 1, and price 1. For second item, same details. So we need to copy one by one all of them. So start with images. Open your any product, click to enlarge, then right click and copy image address. Remember, copy image address. Copy and paste. Same for second images. Okay, so right now you have 7 images. So uncheck the empty box. Like if you have 2 images, 5 images, or 12 images, uncheck the all empty box that you have no field. So right now I will have only 7 box with check with details. So I will uncheck all of them. I will show you why I am unchecking this box. So for now, for title, copy and paste. Now for bullet point, I will send you description if you have there, like this one. So I'll add this one. You can add what you want. You can write here also. So I will just show you. I will add some detail of them. So I'll just repeat the all benefits bullet span. So because I have only 4, you can add what you want. Just show you how it's working like that. Now for description. For description, select the all text like this one. What you have for description? So simply copy all text of description and open this tool. This tool we use to convert the text into HTML. Paste your text here. You can write text also here. Now click on HTML. When you click here, this code is ready. So simply copy this code, copy and paste in description section. For delivery, you can add what you want. I just add the text here simply. You can add what you want. And one thing more, if you have multiple paragraph in delivery, so use this method. Write here your text, click on HTML and paste the text in here. If you have single paragraph, then you can write here also, no problem. But if you have multiple paragraph, you need to use this tool. Okay, for return, for contact us. Now for related images, related products, sorry, item URL. So you need to copy this URL. Simply copy. You can copy this also, only this. Otherwise you can copy the complete URL, no problem. Copy and paste it. Here you need to add which products you want to show in related. So I just show you. Use the same products and second URL and third URL. Item URL is this one and 4. Now for title, I will copy the same title here. You can choose what you want. I'm just show you how it's working like that. Yes. Title title. For image, same method. For image, right click and copy image address. Copy image address always. Copy image address, paste, paste, paste. For price, simply copy your price without the symbol. Paste, paste, paste. And now, when everything is all done, like images, title, description, bullet point, everything, so simply click on the make code. When you click here, this code is ready. You need to select all, copy and paste in eBay description section. But if you want to test it, how it's look like that, simply click on preview. When you click here, your preview is ready. Here is the title. Here is the bullet points, images. Now, why I uncheck the empty box? Like if we have 14 box, so if I uncheck all of them, then here will be show the empty box. I will show you. I just and description. Here is the description and delivery. That we had only text. That's why it's coming like about us. We have all added. That's why it's coming like that. Contact us. And here is the related products. So when I click any of them, just click. As you can see, your product is open. I hope you understand now. Now about uncheck this box. So if I check this box, do not uncheck. So what happened? So again, make code and preview. As you can see, here is all box is empty. So it's not look better. So if you have two images, five images, any of images, empty box, you need to uncheck the empty images box. I hope you understand. Thanks.